This 5-minute solution will show you how to bulk delete all Facebook posts on a Facebook page. So if you uploaded lots of Facebook posts in your Facebook page and now you want to delete multiple posts or all posts at the same time, follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, we need to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on Menus and tap on this arrow icon and select the Facebook page. And now go to your Facebook page profile. And here you will get these Manage Post option. Tap on that and select Published. And here you will get all of your Facebook posts you published on your page. Now, if you want to delete multiple posts, select those posts you want to delete. And now tap on Edit and tap on Move to Trash, and those posts will be deleted. And if you want to delete all posts you posted on your Facebook page, all you have to need, just tap on Select All and tap on Edit and tap on Move to Trash, and all posts will be deleted. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.